In this episode of our StormWise 4.08 new release series, we'll discuss the new map layer features and improvements. Let's get started with an introduction of the improvements within the Map Layer Manager. All Map Layer Manager functions are now accessed by right-clicking the map layer name. Tools for importing, processing, editing map layers, and checking the map layer status are all found in this right-click menu. Buttons to create and delete map layers have not changed from the previous release version. When creating a map layer, you'll notice there is a new map layer type. This raster map layer type allows you to directly import any supported raster type into StormWise. This is the fastest option for importing large image datasets. After creating any map layer record in the Map Layer Manager, you can import by right-clicking the name. Notice for polygon or elevation type map layers, you can right-click for a shapefile or DXF import option. Here I'll quickly import the new raster type map layer. Once the import is complete, the raster map layer can be toggled on from the raster tab shown here. Returning to the Map Layer Manager, there are 3 additional tools that have been created. This new release includes a tool to batch edit map layer labels. You can manually edit the labels or copy and paste from a spreadsheet. For example, I'll edit the soil labels to the hydrologic soil group name. Turn on the updated raster and you can see the new label names reflected in the raster legend here. Another new tool allows you to customize the colors used to display each region in any rasterized map layer. I'll demonstrate this using a polygon map layer representing the land use for this project. In the Map Layer Manager, right-click the map layer name and select Edit Raster Colors. Double-click the color that should be modified and select a new color. The map layer colors can be customized to help visualize parameters or simply for preference or clarity. Another exciting improvement is that the loading time for map layers has been greatly reduced. This is possible using the Edit Lock feature. After importing or drawing large map layers, turn on Edit Lock in the Map Layer Manager. The first time you toggle on a locked map layer, there is a one-time waiting period while the program converts the map layer to a high-performance format. After the one-time waiting period, any locked map layer can then be toggled on to view in seconds, and you can zoom and pan across to instantly view regions across large map layers. Map layer tools can also be found in the improved graphic view. Right-click any map layer name in the data tree to import, toggle the edit lock, or to move the map layer. Next, improvements were made to expedite the labeling process. Rather than manually typing map layer label names and risk a typing error, there are now 3 new options to speed up this step. Option 1, you can right-click inside the text field to choose a name from any existing lookup table. For example, I could create labels for a land cover map that exactly match the land cover zones in this lookup table. Option 2, you can quickly copy an existing map layer label using this new graphic view button. This copy button can be used for elevation type map layers as well. Or option 3, you can leave the text field empty and click the Add button. The prompt now asks me to select a feature to use as the label name. I'll click this manual basin symbol to copy that basin name to use for my map layer. Press the spacebar to quickly repeat the command and complete the task of labeling any map layer. Users can also now edit the map layer labels and/or point elevations using this new graphic view tool. A new Drape surface tool was also introduced with this new release. This tool modifies elevation map layer elements by reassigning elevations based on a selected surface. In other words, the tool drapes any selected point or polygon based on the user-specified surface to assign elevation data. We are excited to offer these new map layer features. Please reach out to us through technical support with any questions. Thanks for listening.